Hi guys, welcome to the allotment. I'm the Great Gardener, and in this video I'm going to be digging up my main crop potatoes which actually got blight. So a couple of weeks ago I chopped the tops off, and these have been in the ground now for a couple of weeks, and hopefully the skins will be hardened a little bit so they can store easier. I've actually got a video on identifying and dealing with blight, so I'll link that below if you want to check that out. But today's video I'm going to be digging them all up, and hopefully they should be okay and we'll get a decent crop of potatoes. Now that's a really good start, so I actually forgot to press record on the first lot that I dug up, but from two plants I've actually got quite a lot of potatoes here, and it bodes really well for the rest of them. There's a little bit of slug damage and stuff, but certainly no blight damage yet, so I'm going to keep going and show you as I go just what I'm pulling up, but good sign so far. Now that's the first row dug up, and I'm really pleased. I think I only had was probably 1, 2, 3, 4. I only had about 6 or 7 potatoes in here, and we've got so many here dug up, so it looks like it might rain. So I'm going to get cracking with the second row here, and I'll come back at the end when I've got them all dug up, and we'll see how many I've got. So I've got this second row dug out there, and it's a little bit hit and miss with regards to slug damage. One or two little signs of blight as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go through all the potatoes. The good ones will go in the Hessian sack ready for storage over winter, and the other ones will go in a pile, and I'll use whatever I can. So I'm going to go through these now, get them separated, and I'll show you just how many good ones that I've got. So unfortunately that's the way it goes. I'd say overall we're probably still going to be salvaging about 80% of the potatoes, but obviously some will be roast potatoes, some won't be. So you win some, you lose some. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and that'll help the channel grow, and YouTube will send it out to more people, and hopefully people will be clicking on it. And I'll see you in the next video.